dental hygienists, software developers, and jobs in nursing.
Now, the News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Matt Moore.
We are a week away from the 1st of May, and we're talking about some snow this morning. Even still, a couple of flurries across the region. I think the bigger story for a lot of us, though, are the winds, and they really are quite gusty in some spots. Looking live from our York Skycam right now, you can see Old Glory there on the top of the building. It's getting a workout today. Winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour with some wind gusts a little bit higher than that. Our current air temperature sitting at 47 degrees. We're bringing back that wind chill feels like value. It feels like in the low 40s when you factor in these winds. Currently 12 miles per hour, but I was just outside and we are definitely seeing some wind gusts topping 20 in a lot of places. And you can see here in York, winds gusts topping that 20 mile per hour mark at the 23 mile per hour mark. Now farther to the north there are some showers, some sprinkles, and radar is picking up a few flurries, although a lot of these not quite reaching the ground. Still some very dry air near the surface, but I think the farther northwest you go around Lewistown, a couple of flurries mixed in with some raindrops out there. Also up towards State College, light snow being reported. Farther down to the southeast, these are having a hard time making it all the way down towards Lancaster and York, but through the rest of today, I can't rule out the chance of a sprinkle here through the rest of the Susquehanna Valley as this piece of upper level energy kicks through and swings across. And once it starts to move through, we will start to dry out and clear out going into this evening, and that's going to allow the temperatures to drop as we head into tonight. And because of that, the National Weather Service has issued freeze watches for most of the Susquehanna Valley. We'll watch for those temperatures to dip down close to that freezing mark. So if you do have some of those sensitive plants, if you can bring them inside, I would do so. If you can't, maybe put a tarp or something over the top of them just to keep them protected. So through the rest of today here in the News 8 Storm Team forecast, we have at Glenn in the background, mostly cloudy and brisk for us, and we'll watch for that sprinkle or maybe even a flurry chance, especially in those northern counties. And there will be some clearing late, but overall the clouds and those west-northwest winds will keep our temperatures down, highs near 50 degrees, some spots maybe getting up to 52 or 53, but overall probably pretty close to 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of the year. Even into tonight, those temperatures keep dropping. Watch for that freeze watch to go into effect later on this evening and last until tomorrow morning. We'll have the skies clearing for us, and the winds will still be around. I think there will be some wind chills in the 20s overnight with the air temperatures again near the freezing mark. And then as we head into tomorrow, I think we will see more sunshine. However, it'll still be on the cool side of things, and also we'll keep that breeze around 10 to 20 mile per hour winds and a couple of clouds in the northeastern counties during the afternoon. Our temperatures, pretty cool right now into the mid to upper 40s. If you head up to Lewistown, it's mid-30s right now, 36 degrees up into some of the high terrain where there are some sprinkles and flurries being reported. But look at this Bradford in the northern part of the state, below freezing even into the midday hours, 28 degrees there, farther down to the south into the upper 50s. And this air is coming directly from about northern Canada, so it's pretty cool, and it's been modifying a little bit, but the winds are going to keep it persistent here across the Susquehanna Valley, currently 10 to 20 out of the west-northwest. Still have those showers around the region. These will basically begin to fall apart, though, as we go throughout the next, probably closer to this evening. Until then, a couple of sprinkles for your evening commute, and then we'll start to see things drying out and cooling off. I've stopped the clock here, 10 o'clock tonight. And look at the temps. We'll be near 40 degrees, some spots already in the 30s at that point. And then going into tomorrow morning, a little bit on the breezy side with our air temperatures near the freezing mark, but we will see some sunshine as we go throughout the day. Maybe a couple of afternoon clouds, but you can see those afternoon highs pretty similar to what we will see today in the low 50s. As we head into our Saturday morning, a very similar story. I would not be surprised to see freeze watches or warnings going into effect tomorrow night as well. So it'll be 2 nights in a row we'll be watching for the cold temperatures, but then we warm back up into the mid-50s. There could be a possible shower later as we go in through the day, especially towards the afternoon. So we'll watch that shower chance late on Saturday. Starting to dry out, though, going into Sunday with a little bit more in the way of sunshine, but staying breezy. Look at the 7-day forecast. Breezy Sunday, breezy Monday. I wouldn't be surprised to see breeze on Tuesday with a chance of a few showers from Monday through Wednesday. So I think this cooler pattern that we're in, we get a bit of a break this weekend, but still below average, and then it remains that way through the rest of the week.
Yeah, this is pretty crazy for going into May almost.
A long term, and it will feel like this into May, for sure.
All right. Well, thank you, Matt.